Hello there, good morning. Good morning everyone. So basically right now we are heading something on in my eyes. We are heading towards my home and basically so dhool over here. It is to use like this. I will be back. And now it's good. I mean now the good road came. No lagging, no lagging, yes. So yeah, right now we are heading towards home and it literally feels right now is 9, almost 9 or 9:10. Oh, let me check. Yeah, 9:18 right now. And guess what? It's so feel fresh. I am not showered. Still, you will feel like I am showered because I am. And right now, I am walking from this side. You know, I kinda have the kind of argument with my granny to choose to walk from the wrong side because we can tackle the bikes which is coming in front of us, but if we are walking from that side, how in the world we are going to tackle the bike if there is a drunk driver, four-wheeler drunk driver, and if it's coming from our behind, how in the world we can see them? We can't. That is the reason a lot of accident happen from behind, the car coming from behind and it hit the guy. So that is the reason I always choose to walk in the right side if there is no footpath. If there is a footpath, so of course I will be walking on that side. Now, what's up? Are there any trades? No, there is no trades. This week also, no trades. So almost 3 weeks I am not even trading like anything. Also, I am getting a biggest course ever. I mean that's completely free. So I'm doing that course for improving my social media presence. Guess what? I am going because now oh shit. That guy was drunk. Oh, I like this. We'll wait. So now what I was saying, yeah. I am getting the other side of social media where most of the people don't know. Now I'm understanding why in the world I was not getting famous. Why in the world I was not getting famous? Because no one liked my content. I mean no one liked to see the raw, non-edited content. The same content if I edited, structured it properly, use some beautiful hooks, create some animation, create some text. This will be the number one content for the professional vlogging. So yeah, it is what it is. So it's just a matter of like within 1 week we are going to change our content thing to a beautiful content. Beautiful content. That's it. So yeah, it is what it is. You can see, you will be able to see the day by day, gradually changing my content from normal content to viral million viewers content. You will be able to see. Stay tuned. I will be reaching that chowk. We'll be walking there and then we'll taking the rickshaw from there to very much near to our house, and then we'll walk from there as well. A lot of things to do today. So I will tell you after I go home. Training. Okay, so we reach here in the chowk. So from here we'll be taking the rickshaw from here to Tange Galli, where that's a place near me. So no, I mean, so yeah, it is what it is. I mean, it costs like a 30 rupees, almost some 20 cents or maybe something like that. It's just so stuff. Yo, what's up guys? Welcome. We dropped from the rickshaw. Holy shit, whoa, my ears got braced. I don't know. So from here it's like 5-6 minutes house. Wait, is what is it? The health is getting good. Everything is good. This is the road as you can see. So what I want to do today, a lot of things. That is first of all the video editing, uploading, totally automating to put the videos in time. That's a third task, you know. The third task to do the lecture of that baby boy. Basically, how to master social media. The best course I can come across. That is what we need to do for a whole day. Nothing else we can do. That's the 3 tasks you wanna do. But if more tasks comes in middle, we have to organize it correctly. It is what it is. Also, we have to do the shower. Now it is coming. One more task is coming into our line step by step. So yeah, it is what it is. Reached to the home exactly at work. Let's see any trades we are going to get or no trades. Hello there, welcome back. Where are we right now? We are on my home terrace. Look at that, like wow in the damn flag. Oh god, looks so like That sun, holy shit, the camera is worst. That sun downside getting so much to the mountain. I'm in the damn flying fucking world. Holy shit, looks like a dialogue from my own dialogue. Dialogue is created by me. So yeah, but we have the whole day. I've done not a lot of. I was just focused on one thing. That is lecture of Tally. What is the word? It is like lecture of how good, how to create the good videos, how to what people want, not create the video. People what wants by people. So yeah, this is what I was learning. I did took 4-5 lectures. Almost we are going to go for. I just for like a tax mode just to see very far eyes roll on, because if I just closer watching sunset, man, like beautiful. I'm just a very happy a very far, who will be able to rotate your eyes. That is how I have my specs was having 2.5 element. You won't see me specs in most of the time because I enough. Yeah, this is after continuously lecture 1 week we're going to the lectures. Also one God, I hope about this. I got a brilliant, beautiful idea about how I can market, which is next year. Okay, there are many IT companies, not many, IT companies, because IT companies are very 30 years old people are there or applied as a, because in mechanical not good, like in mechanical, yeah, there are 30 of old, but very less there are mechanical industry. My god, we're talking with you, it just vanished like anything. Very so in mechanical number of from 9-year-old, 2-year-old, the ratio is low. A lot of people are like, about for my target audience is 9-30-year-old. What my target audience sell my tours, and sell my trick, sell the that is my main target is. So I was thinking like, why not to mail the whole scenario of how in the world avoid the losses to our market. And that is what a lot of guys are earning a lot of, that they are share this, because that is the best possible. IT will be a bill for both of us. IT companies will have event created from them or for their employees. The employees will, oh my god, this is so good, that event right for us, and I will be that event here. I will that's my event. How in the world you are not lost, or you are going to lost, you're doing lost remarks. That is how I will. I mean, it's like a 1 hour webinar, and then that will be funnel. That will be actually funnel. Then I will say like, learn more, handling 9 million. I know what I am doing to learn. Mind this, then we will connecting. That will be a beautiful convert. That will be good ROI as on investment of time. And Pratik came, so he don't know camera because he's like looking like a Doraemon. Not our Doraemon, the real Doraemon, new one. Literally, that idea so good. They target is IT are already making a lot of. They'd be like, yo, you want this is your fit. So it is like a beautiful. So I just come up with this idea. We'll work on it after, like, of course, 4 week completely schedule. First week is full cut. How we can create the beautiful cut. Second thing, 100 minutes of a book. Second, third is 100 minute book. For read that on a third week. Fourth week again sales. That is how we are going. Signing off. Enjoy. Let's go for. Hi there. So I've been just creating towards the gym, brother, and now I'm not going to use the application. I'll go all in with traditional method, which is going to be used. So it is what it is. I think so. I will be focusing on the biceps today, and then tomorrow the chest. And as per we progress, we will be into one part at a time for sure. Signing off. Hi there. So I'm actually looking to work on the biceps today. Do you know what biceps? Bicep is just a thing which is going to be come on, man. What I'm educating on, the thing over here. This is a bicep. So yeah, let's go. Hi there. So I'm deciding to record my exercise. Let's do it. Fucking do it. Now last. Oh, bicep. Oh. अरे भाई एक नंबर हो जाता वाटलं की जिमला This is a day one of not using the application. Doing this, whatever I can see, what people are doing it. I'm focusing on today's bicep. I did that. This one as well. Hold on. Yeah, this one. This side I have done a lot of time. That a lot of time. Now, I think the bicep. What else we have with bicep? The dumbbells. Yeah, dumbbells is remaining. We'll do the dumbbells and then we'll go. I think now it's a rope time. So let's do the rope and let's count the seconds. How much seconds it is going to carry? Like, okay, so I will keep the phone over here. Yeah, perfect. literally feel the how to say. I can literally feel the energy got increased like anything. Before I wasn't able to pick up the 2 kg. Now I can pick up the 20 kg with bar, not dumbbells. Dumbbells is still stuck up with the 5 kg only. Also now the rope. As you can see, the rope starting was just one particular seconds, 5-6 seconds, but now it increased. I can do it double. It's huge. This thing is huge. But within 2 days, everything got disturbed like anything. So yeah, I need to come back to the game again. It is what it is. Stay tuned, signing off. Enjoy. Let's go home. So right now, yeah, the time is 19:70. Let's go home. The stomach is also fucking increased. It's not good at all. Either. So I figure out there is the something like that, something pinpoint in my shuffle, and it touched me like anything. It actually gone inside how it hurts, but there is no other option than just using it. Let's go parking out and let's remove that, or else let's replace that chappal. Now that all we got out, what else we can do? Oh, Baba. Hey. Oh, काय शूज का शूज कुठे आहे शूज कुठे ते का आपण थोड्याने जाऊया बाहेर हा थोड्याने जाऊ काय म्हणलास काय लिफ्ट आहे का लिफ्ट कुठे आहे लिफ्ट हा तिथे आहे का घर कुठे घर कुठे घर अयो वा वा अयो 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 लागलं बंदूक आहा अरे वा 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 वा